Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, cruise control, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.